Hi everyone, thank you very much for checking out this video. Hope you enjoy it. We're going to go through a bunch of print ad sales that I've made the last, we'll probably say about last month or so, I think, as I scrolled back. Really in no particular order here. There's probably at least 15, maybe a little bit more. So sit back, enjoy, and let's check out some of these ads that have sold for me recently. We're going to begin with this one from 1964 for Schlitz Beer. St. Patrick's Day just passed a few days ago as I record this video. This one sold for $19 plus shipping. All of them include the $5 shipping, so I will stop saying plus shipping. Just understand that whatever you see the sold price, add $5. That's my flat shipping rate. I usually, not always, make out at least a few cents on the shipping. That $5 seems to cover the majority of the continental U.S. anyway. So $19 on that sale. This one from back in 1943. I really love the graphic on this one. I think it's beautiful. I think the colors are amazing. The scenes depicted are amazing. World War II, obviously, 1943. General Motors, and you can see the different Buick, Cadillac, Chevrolet, Oldsmobile, Pontiac, and Body by Fisher is actually who this ad is for. This one sold at a bargain for $15 because I was running a 25% off sale. Still good money, though, for a little piece of paper. Speaking of good money for a little piece of paper from way back in 1916, this is an automobile called Briscoe. This one sold for an odd price because of the sale. I had it up for $30, did a 25% off sale. This one sold for $22.49. It's a smaller ad as well. I think it's a 7-inch by 5-inch, so a little bit smaller than the typical full-page ads, but nevertheless, $22.49. This one just sold yesterday, proving, as always, that Halloween and Christmas particularly sell all year round. We're only a few months past Halloween. Well, maybe 5 months past Halloween now. And it's coming back around another 6-7 months. But this one from 1966 for Lucky Strike cigarettes. You got the lady with the witch hat on there, $8.99. Another 25% off for $15 from 1960. This is for Parker pens. You can see it has obviously the Empire State Building there with an image of that Parker 61 fountain pen. $15 with the 25% off sale. From 1933, one buyer bought these next two ads for Bisquick or baking products. This one, $9. Invention, just add water, milk, and biscuits. It's just for instant biscuit making stuff, Bisquick. And here's the other one that this gentleman bought. Gold medal flour. You can see some homemade donuts there, also for $9 because of the 25% off. Here's a nice looking one, 2-pager from 1949, Curtis Butterfinger candies, sold for $15 because of the 25% off sale, but I will still take it. From back in 1918, World War I era, you could see the kids dressed kind of like a nurse's gown, I guess, and an officer there. For Buster Brown shoes, this one sold for $11.24, 25% off. All right, next up, this one sold for $12 from 1929, Park Davis cod liver oil. Ugh. I don't know if anybody out there has ever had cod liver oil. Let me know in the comments below. I know it was kind of an old remedy for kids for colds and stuff. I think it's frowned upon these days, but you let me know down below. $12 on that one. From 1940, this ad's for Kleenex tissues, and it has Jeeves the Butler comic strip on there, pictured. $12 on that one. From 1968, another $12 sale. This is for Maxwell House Instant Coffee, and you can see opera star Roberta Peters hanging out with her kids, showing them how to play guitar and piano. $12. From 1926, this one for Kelvinator refrigerator. You can see a little kid, looks like he's pouring a glass of milk and not being very successful with doing so. $12 on this one, nice ad. From 1961, this is another, you can see, odd size ad. It's only 7 inches wide by 14 long. 1961 for Lee's Slacks, Lee's Men's Slacks. Looks like guys doing a little bit of bowling. $12. From 1965, this is for RC Cola, Royal Crown. One of my favorites, I must say. One of my favorite sodas there is. Another one that sold with the 25% off sale I had running, and that sale price there, $11.24. Next up, same price, $11.24 with the 25% off from much more recent, 1986. It's a Rolex advertisement for Oyster watches, the 60th anniversary, Jacques Picard. This one kind of surprised me as far as the sales price. $15 for an ad for an air conditioner, essentially, right? Looks like Central Air System, GE, 1967, $15. From 1967, another $15 sale, and this is for Levi's slacks. So I guess as opposed to the jeans, it's a pair of Levi's slacks. You can see the courtroom scene, stenographer, and a judge, and this guy like holding court there. It's obviously a lawyer. Well, anyway, that was a quick video, I know, and I appreciate you guys checking it out. Hopefully it inspired you to get some of these print ads up. You can see some of the sales prices there, and maybe that'll help you factor in when you're making your listings, what sort of pricing scheme you want to use. I really appreciate you checking out the video. If you liked it, please do leave a thumbs up. That helps a lot. And share it out to your friends and family if you think they might have some interest. And if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please consider doing so. We'd love to have you aboard. And I will see you, everybody, on the next one. Thank you.